Hi friends, today I'm making cupcakes. First, we pour 5 spoons of the powder which will make the cake. Then we add half a cup of this milk. Now we add all of the eggs. After that, we add all of the butter. Then we mix. Mix.
I'm mixing it so it can get brown and sticky like a monster. And now I'm gonna get this spoon, get some of the cupcake batter and pour it inside the cupcake mold. Now I finished putting the batter inside the tray, and now I'm going to keep it in the oven. Now I'm keeping it in the oven and closing the door.
Now the cupcakes are ready. Now I'm gonna add some cream and some sprinkles. All of them look so delicious. Every single one has some cream and sprinkles. They look delicious, huh? It is good. I taste tested it.
Like and subscribe and hit